guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is basically a part 2 to the Aussie Miracle Curls collection review that I did. It was like the second video that I put out on my channel. I filmed it in February, so this is like long overdue for me, but there was a lot of other videos that I was trying to put out and it just kept getting pushed back, and I was like, I need to do this video. So that is what this video is about. It's a part 2 to the Aussie Miracle Curls. I know you're like, why are we still talking about this collection? So a little bit of story time. I filmed a little bit of my experience when I was going to Target. That's like the beginning part of the review. And when I went in there, they had a section, you know, Aussie's collection in Walmart as well as in Target is pretty extensive, but the collection for Miracle Curls, it was like one shelf and I literally got every single product. So about 2 weeks later, that's when I was at Target. So about 2 weeks later, I was in Walmart, unrelated. I think I was shopping for my son, you know, getting groceries, and I passed the hair care product line. And for me, I'm a product junkie, so I cannot help but to stop and look and see if there's any products that I'm like, ooh, is there new product lines? And I look and I see the Aussie Miracle Curls, but it looks completely different. Like the packaging is different and there's like additional products, and I was like, wait, what's going on? Like I just filmed this product review and now there's different products. The packaging looks different. Like I was offended. So I was like, now I feel like I have to review the rest of the products because it's not a complete review if I didn't talk about all the products. It just didn't make sense to me. Like, so in this video, that's what I'm doing. The additional products that weren't mentioned in the first video, I wanted to review and style my hair because they're all styling products. Nothing about the co-wash or the deep conditioner changed, but the conditioner, defining cream, as well as an oil. None of these products were in the first video. Like I'm actually going to link it above so that you guys can watch that first, because otherwise you're just going to be like, what is she talking about? So definitely watch that first video, that first review. I'm going to link it above, and then come back and watch this video, and then you'll understand where I'm coming from and understand like what, I mean, it's no frustration, but it was just like, I thought that was weird. I must have missed like if there was like a revamp or if it was something silent and it was like, let's just push these products back out. But in this video, I'm going to talk about the conditioner, the defining cream, and the oil. Hey guys, so I've already washed my hair as well as deep conditioned. I actually did that last night. I was trying to do everything in one night, but after I let my hair deep condition, I was exhausted. So I was like, I'm just gonna put my hair up and then I'm gonna style my hair the next day. So that's what's going on. I've already, like my hair is dried, so I'm gonna have to re-wet it, obviously. Just spray it down with water. But I use the Aunt Jackie's In Control Anti-Poof Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. That's what I use to condition my hair. Kind of sad because I'm gonna have to repurchase it. Pretty much killed it yesterday. So that's what I use to condition. And then I used the Aunt Jackie's Coco Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. That's what I used because I just wanted to make sure my hair was defined, because this product I talked about in my last video is super defining. So that's what I used to deep condition. So let's get started. So the first thing is the conditioner. So I mentioned this conditioner in the first video, but I didn't use it because I was interested in the co-wash, and they do the same thing. So I was like, let me use the co-wash, and then I could have used it as a leave-in conditioner. I used the leave-in conditioner because I was interested in seeing, you know, how that works. So I brought this product up, like I showed you the product, but I didn't use it. So in this video, I'm actually gonna use it. So this is the product I bought with the first round of Aussie Miracle Curls. And when I went into Walmart, this is what I saw. So I was like, completely different. You know, let's compare. Completely different. I was like, what in the world? Like, I compared the consistencies. They're the same. I mean, the packaging, like the label is different, but they both say Miracle Curls conditioner with coconut and jojoba oil. Let me see. Okay, one thing I do notice about this one is it doesn't say paraben free. So that might have been, we may have found out why the product relaunched. Let me see. The first ingredient in both product is water, but yeah, that's something definitely different. Like this one says down here, let's see, can you see that? I don't know, you can't see that, it's too small, but this says paraben free, and I'm checking both the front and the back, and it doesn't mention anything about being paraben free. So that probably explains it, because I'm like, what in the world happened? But yes. So I use this as a leave-in conditioner. Actually, my hair is wet. I just wanted to come to you guys and talk a little bit about the point of this video. But my hair, I've already used the products, and right now it's just air drying. So I figured while it's air drying, let's talk. Let's have a little bit of story time. So yes, I use this conditioner in this video, and you know, it's just a normal consistency. It's thick, it's defining. It smells just like the first product. I think the only difference between the two is that it's paraben free, but it just bothered me a little bit that they relaunched the product line after I had already did a review. So I wanted to just do a review on the styling. So I really like this conditioner as a leave-in conditioner. To be all the way honest, I probably won't use it as a conditioner just because the packaging is too small. When I use a leave-in conditioner, I use a decent amount, but I'm super heavy-handed when I use conditioners for the actual conditioning process, and I will run through this product so quick if I use this for conditioning. So I'm just gonna use it as a leave-in conditioner. I like it, I like the consistency. It's really thick and it gives me definition. So I really do like this product. The other product I used in this video for my wash and go is the Miracle Curls Frizz Taming Cream with coconut and jojoba oil. It's sulfate free. Now this was not on the shelf when I did the first video. Like I'm 100% sure, like I bought every product that said Aussie Miracle Curls, point blank period. So I know I didn't miss the product. It just physically was not there. So I use this for my styling product. I like the consistency of this product. It had me a little nervous because it comes out super thick, and when you put it on your hair, it's white. So I wasn't super heavy-handed with this product because I didn't want a lot of buildup. That scares me to death when I put a product in my hair and it has a white cast, because it has me thinking that even once my hair dries, that either it's gonna flake or it's gonna look, have you ever had that happen where you put a product in your hair and it's literally still white? Like your hair is dried and it's like flaky and it's like, it has a cast. Like it almost feels like a shield on your hair, and it just leaves your hair limp. There's no definition, and it's pretty sad. It's a pretty sad wash and go. But I didn't use a lot of this product, so I think I'm gonna be able to keep this for a while and use it as a styler. I think it gave really good hold and really good definition. Now I'm liking the way it's drying. I'm liking the definition in my hair. I'm super excited. So, hey guys, so my hair is about 85% dry, and I just wanted to come in and actually use the last product that I wanted to talk about in this video. And that is the Aussie Miracle Curls Curl Defining Oil with coconut and jojoba oil. So it looks like this. And since my hair is almost dry, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the oil. So this is thick. It's like a thick oil. I'm just going to scrunch it into my ends. I just wanted to make sure my hair was dry. Well, it's 80% dry, so it's almost dry, but I just didn't want to go in with a heavy oil and create a lot of frizz. So, my hands are slippery. So. I'm gonna apply some here at the roots. Okay guys, so this is how my hair turned out using the Aussie Miracle Curls products that weren't mentioned in the first video. So I like the way it turned out. I do think my hair is defined and moisturized. I like it. I really think pairing the conditioner as a leave-in conditioner with the defining cream really worked out well. So you see there's no, there's no white cast, there's no flakage, there's none of that. It looks really good and defined. Okay, so this concludes this video. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.